The next customer I wanted to walk through and kind of break down the implementation that we did for them. This is Chromosoft was basically uh, an application that really streamlines the whole mortgage loan applying process, acting as both the middleman for the person who's applying for the loan, as well as the mortgage loan officers who are reviewing and approving that loan on their end. Which I think is a huge, a large problem that, a lot of us are trying to solve. And that's why were really happy with this customer story. And what they wanted to do with the generative AI implementation is basically take documents and information that contains personal information as to who the borrower is, and and things like their name, their SSN, and other personal information that is relevant towards them, and in a secure manner through the application, extract that information and then pre-fill the form that they're going to have to fill within the application that is, set out to apply for that mortgage loan. And so that's exactly what we did. We took a combined OCR plus generative AI approach where we used a service like AWS Textract and gave the different types of documents and templates as a reference to Textract, so it knows what it could expect in the input. And then when it receives a document like that, Textract will return a list of the entities and the values mapped to each entity. And then we give that input to Bedrock to then do the mapping between the form and the fields within the form and the data that's the entities that is Textract returns. And so through that mapping, we've then been able to pre-fill those data within the application. And this has resulted in a 50% time saved in applying for these loan applications from the user.